Alright, we got some Dubia roaches here. And we're gonna pick some out. We're gonna put them in a cup and we're gonna go see who wants some Dubia cockroach treats today. We're gonna surprise a few of our animals with some nice Dubia roaches. Alright, we got our cup here. Let's see who's gonna get some. Uh-oh. I spy a yellow-throated plated lizard that looks very interested in what's in this cup. Alright, I got the perfect size for him. Not too big and not too small. Oh, bud. Oh. Did you enjoy that, buddy? Yeah, that's packed full of protein for you. Say, besides crickets, cockroaches are another type of staple feeder. You can feed them, the dubias. As long as they're gut loaded and everything. You enjoyed that. So this tomato frog is usually really good about taking food. Oh, don't get excited. Here. Oh, ha 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 ha. Can't hand feed it to him, but he'll take it as it's crawling. Alright, I've got some more. Let's go see who else wants some. We've got a young blue-tongued skink in right now. I bet he'd like one if he's not too shy. Realize what it is. Oh, he bit me. Chomp. Alright, let's try with the tongs this time so I don't get bit this time. That's one of the dangers of feeding a blue-tongued skink with your hands, is that they can bite you accidentally. Oh. Yeah, that's what he did to my finger. That's what he did to my thumb. But it was just an accident. Did you like that? Yum. No, I don't have another one. Alright, so some of the animals on the store floor were a bust. So we're going to go back to the warehouse and surprise the animals there. Because I know some of them that'll want one. Like Jack here. He's looking at him looking at the cup of roaches. You're cute. Oh, I love you, Jack. You're so cute. Here you go, Jack. Here's your roach. Here's your roach. Yeah, it's all for you, bud. You're about like you're laying on your side to eat it. That's hilarious. Why did you like lay on your side? That was funny. I just couldn't believe it. Now here's one I definitely want to use the tongs for. Jabba would bite my finger so hard, and she's got teeth. Yes, you do. Jenny found that out the hard way. Well, she already knew, but here, let's give you the biggest roach. Oh, this one's so fat I can barely hold it in the tongs. Here, then give her this monster roach. Hi, are you looking? Oh, she ready? Are you ready? Oh, juicy roach. Doo 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 doo. What was that about? Don't you want your roach? You're doing a defensive posture. Oh, she realizes it. Whoa! God. Oh, man. She's got such a big mouth. Oh, there's those teeth. Yeah, you definitely won't want to get bit by those teeth. Those teeth mean business. Oh! She's like, I'm flattening myself again now. That was great. Now, Sam is a strange beardy. He never likes to take things from tongs or hands or anything, so let's see if we can finally get him to do it today. Will he do it for a cockroach? I don't know. Come here, buddy. Look what I've got for you. Oh, he'll do it for a cockroach. He won't do it for hornworms, but I guess roaches are just extra special to him. Good old Sam. And Bert already knows what's up. Bert always has to get a treat when we give him treats. Here we go. Oh, bud. There you go. Make it stretch for it a little bit. Make it work for it. That was actually pretty gentle. That's a good job, little buddy. You're gonna thrash it. Did you lose it? Did you lose it? How'd you lose it? You get it? Okay. He's gonna play with it a little bit. There you go. Munch and crunch it. Was that good? Yum. Okay, Freddie is giving me the most puppy dog eyes in the world, watching me like carry around this cup of roaches, so I'm gonna give her some because she's special. I really love her. Hi. Yeah, they're all special, but she gets a little bit of extra spoiling, don't you? Yeah. Good girl, Freddie. Oh, I don't have any more. I'm gonna pet you. There you go. That's a good girl. And this here is one of our breeder beardies. I want to give her some nice protein. Yes. Because I think after she laid her last clutch of eggs, she doesn't gain weight like really good back. So we're going to fatten her up, aren't we? Yeah. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Get it. Oh, there we go. Yum. Juicy. Here's a cricket. Wash down that roach. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, you can't have another roach. Here, cricket. No, you cannot have another roach. You had a really big roach. You can have your cricket though. There you go. Well, you missed a leg. Here, I'm gonna stick it in your mouth. Here. Nope, nope. That's the best part. Alright, I know an animal that will love to eat this last cockroach. Oh. There he goes. He gets the last one. He or she. It's one of our European Legolas lizards. Can't talk today. So he got the last one.